Welcome to this exploration of foundational Trailsetters with a look at top-tier generative AI large language model providers like DeepMind, Hugging Face, Anthropic, AI 21 Labs, Cohere, and OpenAI. OpenAI's go-to-market strategy begins with showcasing AI capabilities and forming practical partnerships. The value proposition focuses on creating advanced AI solutions, ensuring safety and long-term benefits. Ecosystem creation aims to foster innovation around generative AI, promoting broader AI applications beyond chatbots. Lastly, a blend of digital marketing and superior infrastructure management propels OpenAI solutions into the market, striving for a transformed industry landscape. Google DeepMind and Google Brain prioritize open sourcing models, making AI more accessible and spurring new applications. They collaborate with industries like healthcare and gaming to tailor AI solutions while developing proprietary products such as AlphaFold and TensorFlow. These strategies extend to improving AI comprehension and sustainability. Through platforms like DeepMind Health, Google AI Platform, and Google Cloud AI, they are inching closer to extensively commercializing their AI models, aiming to revolutionize industries and enhance lives. Hugging Face's go-to-market strategy centers around fostering a robust open-source community for AI and NLP enthusiasts, which serves as a foundation for its customer base. Revenue is generated through a blend of business-tier subscription plans, custom AI solutions for enterprises, and licensing fees for model usage. Strategic partnerships and investments are crucial in expanding their offerings and enhancing AI model deployment accessibility. By leveraging existing technologies like transformer architectures, they've swiftly transitioned from a chat app to a leading provider of NLP libraries, positioning themselves as a key player in the AI domain. Their continued exploration of new revenue streams and expansion into other AI domains signal a roadmap for sustainable growth and broader AI democratization. Anthropic has ambitious plans to cement its position in the AI domain, with a robust fundraising goal of up to $5 billion over 2 years, a significant portion designated for advancing its frontier AI Claude Next. As part of its market entry strategy, Anthropic has launched Claude, a versatile chatbot, to a select group of partners across diverse industries, laying the groundwork for broader commercial engagements. The transition towards commercialization since September 2022 signifies a strategic shift, with a defined go-to-market strategy and initial product specialization now in play. Through key collaborations, notably a significant investment and partnership with Google, and a focused hiring strategy for driving go-to-market initiatives, Anthropic aims to navigate the competitive AI landscape and carve a niche against rivals like OpenAI. AI 21 Labs has adopted a multifaceted go-to-market strategy to establish a strong foothold in the AI industry. Central to this strategy is the development and launch of innovative products such as AI 21 Studio and Jurassic One, especially the next evolution in natural language processing with the Modular Reasoning, Knowledge, and Language (MRKL) system and Jurassic X, which are designed to cater to the evolving needs of developers and enterprises. Collaborations with tech giants like Google Cloud and Amazon have been instrumental, opening avenues for integrating their generative AI capabilities with platforms like BigQuery and Amazon's Bedrock. Moreover, securing significant funding has accelerated their market penetration, facilitating further technological advancements. Through these strategic moves, AI 21 Labs is steadily advancing toward its mission of revolutionizing the way people interact with text and data. Cohere, backed by a $270 million Series C funding, plans to extend its leadership in providing enterprise AI solutions on cloud platforms of choice, ensuring data privacy. Through global collaborations with tech giants and investors, it aims to broaden its enterprise AI suite, promising secure and customizable AI deployments. Engaging in partnerships like Salesforce Ventures and LivePerson, Cohere strives to advance generative AI technology, enhancing customer experiences. With a security-forward approach, it complies with global frameworks like GDPR and AIPA, ensuring a secure infrastructure for data hosting and encryption, aiming to provide a trusted, flexible,
Hit subscribe,
and innovative
ring the bell,
AI platform
and join us in
globally.
demystifying the marvels of AI, one fact at a time. Hit subscribe, ring the bell, and join us in demystifying the marvels of AI, one fact at a time. Hit subscribe, ring the bell, and join us in demystifying the marvels of AI,